If you want to learn how to use Google Chrome, this video will walk you through the basics in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers in the world, and once you understand a few core features, you can move around the internet much faster and with more confidence. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open Chrome, use the address bar, open new tabs, refresh pages, bookmark websites, and go into the settings menu. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's start with the first step. Opening Google Chrome on your computer. You can usually find it on your desktop as a shortcut, on your taskbar, or by opening the Start menu and searching for Chrome. Once you click it, the browser will open and you'll see a clean window with a few important areas. Chrome is the tool you use to access websites, search for information, stream content, check email, and use online services. Now look at the top of the window. This is where you'll find the address bar. The address bar is one of the most important parts of Chrome because it lets you either type in a full website address or simply enter a search term. For example, if you want to visit a specific website, you can type the web address directly. But if you don't know the exact site, you can just type something like best laptops and press enter. Chrome will automatically show you search results or take you to the website you entered. This makes browsing fast and easy, especially if you're just getting started. Next, let's talk about opening new tabs. If you want to visit more than one website at the same time, tabs are incredibly useful. Instead of opening a brand new window every time, you can press Ctrl T on your keyboard to open a fresh tab. That means you can keep one page open while browsing something else in another tab. This is great for research, shopping, work, or comparing websites side by side. Chrome makes it easy to switch between tabs with just a click. Another basic but useful feature is refreshing a page. Sometimes a website doesn't load properly, or you just want the latest version of what's on the page. To do that, press Ctrl R on your keyboard. That will reload the current web page. You can also click the refresh button near the address bar if you prefer using the mouse. Refreshing is especially helpful when a page freezes, doesn't update, or shows missing content. Now let's move to bookmarks. If there's a website you know you'll want to come back to later, bookmarking it is the best way to save it. First, open the page you want to keep. Then, look near the address bar for the star icon and click it. Chrome will save that page as a bookmark so you can return to it anytime without searching again. This is perfect for your favorite news sites, learning resources, work dashboards, or any page you use often. Bookmarks save time and help you stay organized. Finally, let's go into Chrome settings. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. That opens the main menu. From there, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you can manage privacy options, saved passwords, extensions, appearance, downloads, and many other browser features. If you want Chrome to look different, work faster, or keep your browsing more private, this is where you make those changes. Taking a few minutes to explore settings can help you customize Chrome to match the way you use your computer. And that's the basic introduction to how to use Google Chrome. You've learned how to open it, use the address bar, open new tabs, refresh pages, bookmark websites, and access settings. These are the essential skills every beginner should know before moving on to more advanced browsing features. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.